Hello people. A bit noisy I know, but just thought I'd give you a little insight into what you can actually do with this star roller. This is my own yellow formula with a changing relay and then a blue over the top. It's taken me probably about 2.5 hours to get to this stage. As you can see, we've got some pretty nice stars there. Most of them are approaching around the 12 mil mark, and that's really where I want to be. And all we've got to do now is actually let them dry off a bit and stick a prime on them. And bearing in mind that these stars will actually start off as mustard seeds. So there you go. There's probably about 1.5 kilos in there at the moment. So I'm just going to let them run a little bit longer and let them dry up a bit and dry them off. Catch you later.